Okay, so good day again. Um, we are here again to learn more of statistics with Excel. Okay, so our topic for today is the large sample confidence interval for a population proportion. Okay, so we'll be determining the confidence interval of a sample proportion. Okay, this is for large samples, meaning it's more than 30 plus samples. Okay, um, a 30 plus sample is considered as a normal distribution according to the central limit theory. Okay, so we'll go straight ahead and then I'll just have to explain this later, the part here. Okay, for example, um, I've sampled around 150 people. And out of the 150 people that I've sampled, only um, only only 51 of them says they prefer biking going to work. Okay, so the proportion of people who are biking among my sample size is 34% or 0.34. Okay, so we wanted to know based on the sample here. Okay, we wanted to know the confidence interval. Okay, to determine the what's the appropriate uh, in order for us to forecast the possible mean population. Okay. Okay. So to determine the confidence interval, we need this confidence level. Okay. So we have here now 0.96. Okay. So when you say 1.96, it means it's 95% confidence level. Okay. We have here 95% confidence level is here. 90% is here, 1.645, 98% is 2.3, 99% is 2.5, and so on. Okay, so for this example, since the common confidence level is 95%, we will use 95% or 1.96. Okay. Okay, so now we will be computing for the confidence interval. Okay, so it's confidence level times the square root of this one, this one multiplied by 1 minus this one, okay, over this one, the sample size. Okay, okay, so we have 0.76. Okay, now we will compute for the confidence interval. Okay, so less than this one, and then okay, so the confidence interval for the 34% of people who want to bike, okay, is around 26.4% to 41.6%. Okay, so that's the confidence interval. Okay, so here you can see from here that the this formula here is derived from this one. Okay, just have to focus on this one. Okay, so the P here is this one. I mean this one. The Z alpha over 2 here is this one, 1.96. And the square root of PQ over N is, the P here is this one. The Q here is the 1 minus P. Okay, it's already stated here. Okay, and the N is the sample size, right? So that's how we derive the computation. All right. So for the conditions required, okay, for valid co-sample confidence interval for P, okay, so a random sample is selected from the target population. Okay, so for example, I've already have put it in here. All males going to work at the mall. Okay, let's say all males going work to the mall is around uh, 1,000, right? So what if 1,000, from among the 1,000, we have samples of 150, okay? And the sample size is large. And when they say it's large, NP must be over than 15. Okay, NP is this one, okay? And the NQ must be over also equal or more than 15. So the NQ here, let's compute for the NQ. Okay, so this one, that's 99, that's the NQ. Okay, so that's over 15 also, so it fits the criteria. Okay, so I guess I've already have discussed all of this. Okay, and by the way, this P here, I'm having a hard time pointing out, making like this P hat. Okay, so I just put it some P. Okay, so thank you again, and I hope you learned something again from me today. Okay, thank you very much. See you again.